Okay, next should be universal sets. Okay, universal set is something that it encompasses every single item that we're talking about. For example, let's say I want to talk about numbers from 1 to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will be inside my universal set. Okay, universal set is the greater boundaries. Means that universal set will be everything that is within this box. So if I'm talking about 1 to 10, then I can do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my universal set will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put until 6, until 7. So this is my universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I want to say set A is odd numbers, set B is even numbers. Do they have anything in common? No, never. So the set will not be overlapping each other. Set A, set B, set A will be 1, 3, 5, 7. And then set B will be 2, 4, 6. And that's done. Okay, they have nothing in common. So if I want anything in common, it is an empty set. So for example, on the right A that has in common with B, this one here will be an empty set, or I can just write it as this. Okay, so these are sets within a universal set. So sometimes you have something called a complement. Sorry, just now I used wrongly. It was intersect. It's not complement. A complement is a complete opposite. So let's say I want a complement of A. Complement of A means that it is not A. So not A will be not odd. So everything that is even will be a complement for A. Okay, so A prime, this is read as A complement or A prime. Okay, and then we have unions and intersection. Intersection is the one that is the same. If you have the same thing, then it will be overlapping each other. Union is we just want to put it together. Okay, A union B, it means that everything in A and everything in B. So this one here is one moment. Okay. So this one means everything in A and everything in B. Okay. The next one here, A intersect B, means that everything in A that is in common with B. The common members of A and B. Okay, means that if you're a multiple of 4 and then you're an even number, then yes, it's possible to overlap each other and then you will have an intersection. So for example, here, I tell you my universal set is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my set A will be even numbers. My set B will be multiples of 3. Okay, so let's look at what will happen here. I'll have my universal set. My A will be here, my B will be here because I know that something will be in common. So A is even, multiples of 3, 3 is 3 and 6. So 3 will be here, 6 is in common. Even numbers will be 2, 4, and 6. Then 1 would be here, 5 would be here, outside of the sets that are given. Okay? So subset is the next thing that you need to know. Subset is like a subtopic. So if I put in another question like this one here on my left here, I can say that, let's say that E is a multiple of 4. So I need to open another set, which is here. So just change color so that you're not confused. So I can say that set C is a subset of set A. It means C is a subtopic of A. And then C is a subset of A. So it means that it is a smaller part of A.